Hi there, students. Inflorescence. Inflorescence. Okay, this is a noun. A countable noun. Could be uncountable as well. Let's see, this is the way that the flowers are arranged on the end of a stem. So, for example, if you look at a rose, you have a stem and just one flower at the end. But there are many other flowers that are arranged in different ways. You might have a stalk and then lots of little stems going to lots of little flowers all around. That is another type of inflorescence. So the inflorescence talks about the characteristic way, or the way that flowers are produced on a stem. Perhaps you have a stem and the flowers come off each side. That again is an inflorescence. Okay, so the inflorescence is the way that the flowers are arranged on the stem. It's the grouping. Notice you can also use this to just say the forming of the buds and flowers, the flowering of a plant. So inflorescence takes place 28 days after the light cycle is reduced. Okay, so this is now talking about the formation of the buds and flowers. The inflorescence takes several days to open. So the individual flowers take several days to open. Okay, so it's the grouping of flowers, the way that they are arranged, and there are various different words for different types of inflorescence, for different types. Or when the flower, or when a plant begins to flower. Okay, so the process of flowering, blossoming. The inflorescence of the cherry trees in spring is a most beautiful thing. I think people go to Japan to see the inflorescence of the cherry trees. Okay, the flowering process of it. And then the inflorescence, the part of the plant where you've got all of your different flower bearing stalks. Your inflorescence, the flower cluster, the group or the clusters of flowers arranged on the main stem of a plant. And normally these inflorescences, there are various ways of arranging them. So it's effectively the cluster, the way that they are put together. And well, this is really something for a botanist. A group of flowers, a head of flowers. The grouping, the complete flower head, including the stems, the stalk, and the bracts. I think the bracts are the individual little leaves on the end. Okay, so the way that the flower develops, the arrangement of the flowers on its on a stem, a flower cluster, or a formal word for the actual flowering of a plant. So formality. This is quite a formal word. 6.5, maybe 7 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, maybe. Better in a semi-formal or a formal writing. And as to origin, it comes from Latin inflorescentia, from infloresco, I begin to flower. Yeah, from floreo, to flower. So it's the beginning of the flowering, and that's the idea of inflorescence. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Inflorescence.